Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do half cut crease. So let's start with it. First, I'm going to take a sunlight color a bit, then tap it on my hand a bit. Then from here, so you have to keep smudging like this. Smudge it properly. You can see, the way I'm smudging it. Now I'm going to take sun rays color and I'm going to darken it now. Now I'm going to take momentum color and I'm going to again do the same thing. You can see it's getting darker. A bit more of view color. View eyeshadow. See, there are many different palettes that you get. It might be iMagic or some other different ones. You can take the reasonable price one. I have the iMagic professional kit. I'm going to smudge it properly until I get the side darker. See, you can see, there is some little bit of dark shade the side. I'm going to smudge it now. Okay, yeah, it's done now. So let's go with the shaping of it. If you have earbuds, you can use earbuds, or else it's optional. If you can even use the brush to shape it. So I'm just gonna take a bit of wet now see, I'm just gonna rub it this side. So you can see it here. Here there is some mark, so you can see it like that, but it's actually good. I'm just gonna shape in this side also. See, now you can see it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a small brush and I'm just gonna do it now. Just gonna tap it on it a bit lightly. And I'm gonna smudge this off now. When you're using the brush, make sure that you clean the brush or else it will get merged and you'll not get a proper one. So I'm just doing like this, the lighter one now, lighter shade. Then I'm going with a breeze color, this, and I'm gonna smudge it now. You can see the way I'm doing. Now what I'm gonna do is just take more brighter color, again tap it. Now I'm going to take a color of this and with my hand I'm smudging it. Now I'll take a pretty color, eyeshadow pretty, then I'm gonna just do like this and you can see the result. So I'm feeling a bit heavier the side because I have mixed the colors. So just lightly I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Now just gonna shape a bit. See, now you can see it. Now I'm gonna apply eyeliner. Just a moment. Now I'm taking eyeliner. Make sure it's not so much, just a bit. I'm just gonna shape here. You can see, just like this. Now just gonna shape here also. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should be careful. Okay, it's done now. Just gonna take this brush, then I'm gonna put graphel color. Just gonna dip it here. Now just inner part, inner corner of the eyes. I'm coloring it. Even this side, the same thing. Now a bit of pink. Once it's dry, you just dab on it. Now you can see the result. Look at this half cut crease. So if you want more tutorial on eye makeups, feel free to comment me. If you like the video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.